Hey guys, it's Vincent again from #Simyangu, and in today's video we'll be solving the problem of expensive Bluetooth earphones. Okay, in this package of today, we're having the main device itself. It looks funny. Looks kind of funny. And then we have the charger. I think this small wire. You see, the package is simple. I don't know. That's why it's called an aux. I think so, something like that. So the thing is, you connect this one here. You connect this one into a radio. Oh, so this is about 300 rupees, which is the same as $4. Let's put it at $5, $5 US. This thing here comes with this, and these three things, and then you have your earphones. Particularly, this has been very helpful for those people who are using iPhone 7s. My budget homies, my budget people. You're using an iPhone 7, but you don't want to buy expensive earphones. So this thing has been kinda helpful. I got it from Amazon. So you take this one, you connect with your earphones, you turn it on, you hold the button, it starts to light up, and you're on the go. This blue red is for pairing. You pair to your phone, you pair to your device, and then you got your Bluetooth setup because you got the earphones, and then you go to your phone very far. You connect, you listen to the music. Easy, fast, cheap solution. But is it worth your money? Are you getting what you're paying for? That's the main question. That's the real question that has brought us here today. I'm buying this thing, but is it worth buying it? Okay, I also talked about in a past video of mine, I'm going to tag it over there, when I talked about changing your headphone system or changing your old music system into a Bluetooth music system. You have your old subwoofers, you have your old music system. It's an old video of mine. I think I used the Swahili language in that video, but don't worry. It's the same thing. You take this thing, you connect here, you connect this other part to your music system. That music system instantly becomes Bluetooth pairable. You can pair it with your smartphone, your laptop, and listen to music. That is the thing. But is it worth it? So out of the box, according to the box here, they say the wireless Bluetooth audio receiver, product model, blah blah blah, input parameter, product weight 30 grams, wireless connection, yes, Bluetooth version 4.2, Bluetooth protocols, working distance 10 meters. No, it's exactly not 10 meters. I'm sure of that, I've been using it. Charging time is about 2 hours. Charging port, micro USB, yeah, it has micro USB on the port. It has 3.5mm earphone jack on the bottom. Which is the bottom? Which is the bottom? Sorry, the bottom has the micro USB and the top has a 3.5mm earphone jack. Executive standard, playtime 6 hours, charging time 2 hours. No, charging time is about 1 hour, even 45 minutes, which is good. Or is it? So, charging time is about, to say, 1 hour, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes may even take. The problem is, the charging time lists approximately 1 hour, but the playback time is the problem. According to the box, they say the playback time is 6 amazing hours. 6 hours. It's not 6 hours, it's about 2 hours, 3 hours maximum, not 6. This one, for this one. I don't know about the original I don't know what it's called, Mi device like this one. I don't know the playback time, but for this one, which is a copy of the original one, that's the thing. Yeah, I've been listening. The music is not that good. If you have expensive earphones, I think expensive wired earphones, I think that will help a little bit, but it's not the highest of the basses. It has higher mids and low basses. I don't know how that functions. Should be high bass and low mids. Okay, the thing is, for a person who loves heavy beats, heavy workout beats, you like in the gym and stuff like that, people who like pumped up songs, this is not for them. If you just like the small, smooth songs and dance music that doesn't have high bass, it's good for you. It's definitely worth your money. For $5, I believe it's definitely worth it. If you can get your hands on this one, I got it from Amazon. If you can get your hands on this thing, please just go and enjoy it, because it's mind-blowing. You have been together with me, Vincent Seke from #SimYangu, and this is my cheap solution with my about $2 earphones and my $5 Bluetooth receiver. I get about $10 Bluetooth earphone that is quite amazing. Not that mind-blowing, but it's good and worth it. So you have been with me, Vincent Seke from #SimYangu, making your tech accessories more cheaper. See you in the next chipping episode from #SimYangu. See you in the next one.